Hello everyone. Today he's setting up his job site, getting ready to airless stain an outdoor patio porch with the Avanti Airless paint sprayer that he bought from Harbor Freight Tools. The first thing he does is prime the machine with water. Then you can see here he's adjusting the pressure regulator on the dial. Next, he's going to prime the machine with the stain. This was a calm day, around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, beautiful day with no wind. When he went to test the spray in the bucket, you can see that the overspray was pretty aggressive. So don't underestimate a slight breeze, and make sure that you have everything nearby covered well. This started at high pressure, but we changed it to medium pressure. Also, he started with a tip size of 515, but it was too wide. Then he tried a 216, but in the end the correct tip size ended up being a 113. This could be because it was a wet, thinner stain than paint would have been. You may be wondering about the tape and plastic he used on the walls. He used a hand masker, and the exact model is called Advanced Masker Film from Home Depot. You drag the hand masker tape along the wall while gently pulling down the plastic tarp connected to the tape, and then you should immediately secure it with masking tape to the surface to secure it. He's finished the first coat, then waited close to an hour. Fortunately, it was a hot day and the porch was in full sun, so he was able to start on the second coat. Now he's on his second coat. The dimensions of this porch are 28 by 8.5 feet. He used 6.5 gallons of stain. And to be totally mobile without needing to move the sprayer, he used a 25-foot hose. After 2 hours after the second coat, we remove the plastic and tarps, and here's the finished product. Just in time because we started at 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. and the sun was disappearing. The deck was pretty old, but the stain worked well and the sprayer gave a professional looking finish all in all.